everyone, my name is Hoàng Quốc Bảo. I'm class 3-2, school Ruby. Now, today, in my adventure, I will go to space. In night, what do we see in the sky? It's space, but we are living in our solar system. Our solar system is like big family of planets, and we live on the third one called Earth. Now, let's go in the star we can look at today. The sun. The sun. The sun is the giant hot glowing ball of gases inside hydrogen and helium. That's the reason we have day and night. It gives us light and it's beautiful and bright in the day. We can see the sun in the day, but we cannot see the sun in the night. Now, come to the first planet with my invention. It's called Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the sun. Mercury is the terrestrial planet. It's rocky, it's small and it's rocky. This is the sun. Mercury was close to the sun. Ooh. In the day it will hot, but in the night it will cold. Many degrees Celsius. Come to the second planet. It's Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. It's not the closest to the sun, but it's the hottest. Venus has a thick atmosphere in the air. Venus is the second brightest natural object we look at the sky after the moon. We look at the moon and the Venus is tinier than the moon. Then if it is far from Earth, then it was smaller than Earth. It was smaller than the moon. But absolutely, Venus is equal Earth. Its size is equal Earth. Then it was bigger than the moon. Let's go to the third one. Is we are living is Earth. Earth is not hot or too cold, just perfect for us. It's the only planet have blue oceans and green forests in our Earth. That green forest has oxygen to breathe, and blue ocean we can do activities like swimming or skiing or ice. We can ski in ice, snow. It's also the right distance from the sun. It's not too hot or not too cold to live there. Fourth planet is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. Mars is called the red planet because the iron in the soil. Mars may look warm, but the average temperature in Mars is minus 62 degrees Celsius. That's too cold. We cannot live in there. We can take rovers. Do you know rovers? It's like a curiosity or a space rocket that has landed on Mars and take rovers to arrive on the Mars. Like that. Good. Know about Mars? Remember to take spacesuit in there because this is the cold adventure. Let's go to the biggest planet in our solar system. The fifth one is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest in our solar system, and it's also my favorite planet in the solar system. What is your favorite planet in the solar system? What and why? What planet? And then you look in here, the red dot. It's dangerous in there. It can fit 3 Earth in there. That Jupiter is big enough to fit 1,300 Earth in there. That's many Earth, but we cannot live in there. This has gases, hydrogen and helium. The air can have tornadoes, hurricanes, then you don't live in it. Next, Saturn, the second largest and brightest in our solar system. Saturn is the big, beautiful planet known as the Big Rings. Its rings is made from ice and rocks. Ice and rocks, they are made from meteorites. It's break off, and it's the second largest in our solar system. Now, let's travel to the seventh planet. It's Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun because it's the coldest. It's not colder than the last planet we are going because it have a little bit of energy of the sun, and the last one doesn't have energy of the sun. It's very cold and we cannot live in there because it's the farthest from the sun. Then we cannot live in there. But this we cannot live too because it's cold, like many degrees Celsius minus. Next, the last one is Neptune, like I told you. It's the eighth and the last planet from the solar system, meaning it's the farthest from the sun, and it's the coldest because it's the farthest. This is the sun, and this is Neptune. See how far it is? And it will turn around the sun. It's not fast, it's slow like this. Like that, it's slow. Something is like Mercury. It's next to the sun or beside the sun. It will run really fast, run really fast, run really fast. Like that. Now can you tell Neptune is how slow it is? Next, in our adventure, the moon is the Earth's best friend in space. It might not a planet, but it's the moon. It's a big round rock that travels around the Earth. He's the Earth. He's the moon. It travels around the Earth. Then there's the sun. The sun, the Earth. This is the moon. This is the Earth, and this is the sun. It travels around the sun here, like that. The Earth travels around the sun, and the moon travels around the Earth. Next, astronaut in space. Astronaut is me. Travel around the adventure is like a journey. Astronaut is like real life space explorers in the space. They wear amazing spacesuit and powerful rocket into the space because that it can go through the atmosphere and go to the space. If we jump, it will push me down. But if powerful rocket, it has engine, it will fly up and no atmosphere will like me down like this. Like that. Now, thank you, and I hope I will turn into an astronaut. What do you turn on? Jobs? I want to job to like an astronaut, fly powerful rocket and wear beautiful spacesuit to fly on space. Thank you and goodbye.